And we're back to learn Photoshop in here, day 165. Let me show you the red eye tool. Got an extreme example here. I press Ctrl J to copy it, and then I use tool in the toolbox that we've discussed in the last couple of tutorials. J is the short key for it. We have two parameters to adjust, the purple size and the darken amount. And let me show you how we can use it. It's very simple, just left click on it and it will erase the red parts. I press Ctrl Z. We'll focus on this eye first. Purple size, if I go down and up, you can see that just how much of the darkness is applied from the center position on. So if you size it up, you're gonna have more darker parts on the outside. And if you go down, you have brighter parts. And darken amount is then for the intensity of the darkening. I'm sure that on the other eye, 100% makes it the darkest obviously, and 1% brightest. This one's a very extreme example, and usually photos aren't that bad anymore. Some cameras have an inbuilt filter, so this doesn't even happen that much anymore, but when it does, use this tool and don't go too high with especially the darken amount. For most images, you want to stay below 50% for purple size and darken amount, and this should give you somewhat natural results. And this is how you can use the red eye tool in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.